Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And as you can see in front of you, a very beautiful and wonderful car. And this is none other than poster cars. And if you see the P right, it justifies what it is about. This is the poster car. They made highly detailed model and very affordable prices. And I just got one of them in my collection added recently, and you can see it's there from Hyper League collection Pagani Zonda F. Scale is 1 by 64 Argentina blue, and this is like the sequence of number is 01. You can see there are some warning signs given over here in the box, and ages is 8 plus, so it's a proper collectible model, uh, not for children less than 3 years. So basically, yeah, we're going to unbox it today and see how it is from inside. And let's see the box first. It comes with a plastic wrap around it and a cardboard box and with the acrylic case. You see it's written some things over here. Let's see what's written. The poster cast logo is registered trademark of Kintoy. Kintoy is the same company, sub company I think for Kinsmart, and they have started making this 1 by 64, and they are from Hong Kong basically. So Kinsmart is slowly getting into this, and they're one like they got like very good into it. If you see, it's like the scale is actual 1 by 64. So let's see the back, what it's written. It's official licensed product. If you see, they make cars of Aston Martin, Bugatti, Koenigsegg, Lamborghini, McLaren, Pagani, and Porsche. You can see there all are official licensed products. So this is not a company like an ordinary company that has come around. Okay, these are like they have proper licensing on them. That's what collectors want, right? You have a proper licensing of the logo and all those things place, and that's all. You just give the details at a nice price, and let's unbox it. That's what about the box. You just need to slide it through like this and it gets opened up. We'll keep it aside over here. It looks good. So this is acrylic case. You get some smudges over here of fingerprints. We'll just unbox it. There's one more thing to address over here. If you see, they have some model name and numbers over there, but this base is plastic, so you can stack it up if you have more cars. I'm going to get it soon. This is the first car in my collection, so yeah, you can stack them up and have them as a showpiece like I have done here, so you don't need separate case. So yeah, it gets removed like this. See how wonderful it is, right? See the beauty, man. uh, we'll start with the base plate. It's written Hypercar League Collection 01. Below it's written Pagani Zonda F. Scale is 1 by 64. Argentina blue. And very beautiful model, guys. I think the light is justifying the curves and all. It's reflecting properly. Beautiful metallic color. Look at the color actually. How good it is. We'll start with the front. The headlights are not acrylic or something, they are painted, but they're embossed very well. It looks very good from the front. Look at those mirrors. There are some kind of rubber and plastic I think, yeah. They're not actual rubber, they are like plastic. So this is a very delicate model. You have to be very careful about it. And look at that carbon fiber going around it. Let me zoom in it for you guys a little bit so you can see. Look at that carbon fiber over there. It looks too good. It's going all around the windshield and to the windows, over to the back. Oh my god, it looks awesome. See the logo over here, the Pagani logo here, if you are able to see. Yeah, and look at that interior, man. How awesome it is. The wheel, steering wheel, the AC fans over there, the silver interior detailing over the leather like finishing of the seats. See the seats, man. It's too good. I'm just in love with this car. The first time I saw it, I just fall in love with this car and I just wanted it. And I got it in a hobby store. So you can see the engine detailing over there. How good it is. The silver lining, it's the same as the interior. So they use the same color. But yeah, it gives a metallic finish to it. Now, looking at the back, oh my god, look at the god exhaust and the detailing. They are painted, but it looks very good. Very good. It's written Pagani over there, Zonda F, and yeah, the spoiler looks good from the back. Also, it looks very good. It's a very highly detailed model, guys, so it's very delicate piece. So the best part about this car is the side view. You'll fall in love with this view, man. See the rims and the brake lining over there. There's a red and great kind of disc brakes over there. It looks so detailed. I know the rims look not that good, but if you see the inner detailing, right, it looks too good. And let me tell you, the tires are made of rubber. You can see their grips also. So these are that detail that you can see the tire grips over there and how they have made it. I'm just figuring out how they are managed to do it actually in just a affordable price, right, that they are selling for. I think it's like $9 or $8 in uh, outside India, and India it's around 1500 rupees after the importing and all those duties. So it's very good. And talking about the weight, right, this I think you can compare with Tomica actually. So it's compared to the weight, you can say that it is similar to that weight. But it's just how cool they have made it, that is astonishing. And I've just fallen in love with this car, guys. Seriously, just look at it. Just give you 360 look, so you can also look at the curves, right? How the curves are going from here and there. Oh my god. And if you're wondering how it is placed over here, there is a screw below it, so you can unscrew and play with it. But I just wanted to keep it because you can see all the things from here itself. So yeah, and it's very handy to show it to you guys how it looks actually without removing it from the base. Yeah, that's all for this car, guys. We'll meet in next video. Until then, stay subscribed, keep sharing, keep liking, and show your love for this car and share with your friends. Show them how cool it is and what poster cars are doing is awesome. So spread a word. That's it for this video, guys. We will meet in next video. Until then, stay subscribed, keep sharing, keep liking. Bye bye.